Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to transfer your XDC tokens from a Trezor hardware wallet to Trust Wallet in 2025. If you're holding XDC and want to move it to a more accessible mobile wallet for everyday use, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember to double-check everything to keep your assets safe. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up. Start by connecting your Trezor device to your computer. Unlock it using your PIN and open the Trezor Suite app or whatever interface you're using in 2025. It might have some cool new updates by then. Once you're in, navigate to your XDC wallet. XDC is based on the Ethereum blockchain, so it should appear in your asset list if you've added it before. Next, open your Trust Wallet app on your phone. Go to the XDC network. Trust Wallet supports a ton of chains, so select it from the settings or the main menu. Now, copy your Trust Wallet's XDC receiving address. This is crucial. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so double-check for accuracy to avoid any mishaps. Back on your Trezor, select the XDC token from your portfolio. Hit the Send or Transfer button, then paste in the Trust Wallet address you just copied. Enter the amount of XDC you want to send, and don't forget to leave some for network fees. XDC transactions are usually pretty cheap, but fees can vary. Before confirming, review the details carefully. Trezor will prompt you to verify on the device itself for security. Once you're sure, approve the transaction. You'll see a confirmation on your screen, and the transfer should process quickly, depending on network congestion in 2025. And just like that, your XDC should appear in your Trust Wallet. Keep an eye on the transaction status using a blockchain explorer like Zinfins. If you run into any issues, reach out to the wallet support or community forums. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.